Now back from the commercial break, we have Miss Renee Nay. You great girl.
Hey, what's you got, boy? You know you want me.
Oh, girl. Oh.
Hey.
Okay, girl. Okay. I got some questions to ask you.
Sure.
Okay. So, what do you think about George Bush?
Who?
George Bush.
That white boy?
Yeah, that white boy, the liar.
He got a wood grill. That's disgusting.
Now, show me your booty. Show me your booty.
This lady.
Oh, why do you think you should be Miss New Booty?
Well, I think I should be Miss New Booty.
You heard me.
I am Miss New Booty.
Oh, let me see those kicks.
You like these? They're hot, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty. So,
Thank you. Next.